What is the new device for snoring?
Snoring isn't one problem, it's a symptom. There's no single magic new device for everyone. Evidence-based options include custom mandibular advancement mouthpieces, continuous positive airway pressure for snoring tied to sleep apnea, positional smart devices that vibrate to prevent back sleeping, nasal dilators for nasal obstruction, and newer tongue stimulation tools showing promise. If snoring is loud, frequent, or accompanied by pauses or daytime sleepiness, see a clinician before relying on a gadget.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.